In a pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil and then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then add 1 teaspoon of chana dal and a pinch of asafoetida and small much of curry leaves. And we'll be adding finely chopped 1 green chilli and small pinch of chopped ginger. Add 2 teaspoons of grated carrot. Add turmeric powder and saturate well. Add 1 cup of rava and roast them with a low flame. Keep roasting till turns aromatic. Let them cool completely. Once the rava get cold, transfer to the other bowl. Now I'll be adding more than half cup of curd and a pinch of salt. And then add water and mix them well till it get idli batter consistency. And rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the water get absorbed. Add little bit water and half teaspoon of baking soda. Batter is ready. Apply oil on a idli plate. If required, add cashew nuts and then add batter to the plate. Cook for 10 minutes. Rava idli is ready.